So I hope you're getting that. I see a lot of big people using this, a lot of big YouTubers. I don't see why smaller ones can't. So if you type in here YouTube, let's have a look for a creator of a YouTube. So here, look, Cara and Nate, travel YouTubers. Right? Let me have a quick drink. Sorry, I've had man flu. I'm knocking man flu on the head. So Cara and Nate are on an epic journey. Pledge $1, pledge $2, pledge $3. 362 people, they're getting $527 a month. That may pay for a certain amount of their journey, right? YouTubers doing it live. Here we go. Lauren Lippman, YouTube. Is creating creating videos to entertain you and make you happy. $5, $13, 136 patrons. We don't know how much she's making, right? Let's have a quick butchers on a YouTube channel. 44,000 subscribers. Promote it on her patron videos, and 136 people have signed up. Same here, George, the philosophy guy. 135 patrons. Let's go to his YouTube channel. 74,000 subscribers. Right? Podcasts. I don't know why I just said that. So what I'm saying is, it doesn't matter what your level is. Ask people to join. Give them cool rewards, valuable rewards, or give them $1. Just say sign up for $1, $2. I'll give you a hug when I see you, right? But help support me create more videos. Make them smile. You're not begging them to be patrons. You're not saying, oh my God, if you don't sign up for this, I'm going to have to pack in being a YouTuber. You're just saying, on your videos, it'd be great if you supported my channel. They click on a link, just like Cara and Nate. $1. On average, we upload 10 videos since we'll be pledging per minute. I wanted to give an idea. Oh God. Uploads month, you can, let's, I don't know what she's saying. To be fair, you put $1, $2, $3, right? A little reward every month, 20% discount on your merchandise, early access tickets to your events, early access to your videos, early access, some people just love to be the first in the comment section. So giving people a video a day early lets them go, oh, I was first. $1, $5, $20. It's not a lot of money for the people watching. And I've got videos that'll tell you it's £3.50 a pint. It's £3.50, £4 a latte. I don't know what people are paying in the world for daily things. You're going to ask them for $1, $5 or $10 a month or more. It isn't that much out of each person's individual pockets, but it will be a huge value to your creativity, to your channel, to have a foolproof community that funds you on the side. So YouTube bin you tomorrow. You've got you've got a community that you can email, and they're already paying you. So you can just email people out saying, I've lost my YouTube channel, I've moved over to Vimeo, or I've moved to Facebook, or whatever they've done, but you keep getting this revenue stream. Yes, Patreon's going to take their cut, but I hope this has given you some ideas on what it can do for you, and it's worth exploring. Come to my channel, come to my website, paulnicholson.com. I will be posting these videos in my forum, which is free training. You can ask me any questions. And as I said, on my YouTube channel, I've been interviewing YouTubers. Finding out more about what goes on in their world, what makes them tick. As Happy Me interviews, I've been trying to get them to set big goals, set big targets, and explore why they YouTube, and get them going again for another year. If you want to be on one of my interviews, drop me a message. Just go to any of the videos, or go to if you go to paulnicholson.com, Happy Me interviews. Happy Me. I think that's right. No, Happy Me interview. I spelt it wrong. The Happy Me interview, you can actually just schedule it straight in. Pick a time you want to do it. It takes 1 hour out of your day. fill in the form at the end so I know a bit more information about you before we jump on a call, and we'll do one of these videos. Thanks again for watching. See you all soon. Cheers, guys.